Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahri Misaimi and I'm from J4EM1104A, and today I will make an experiment T3 about determination of jet velocity and nozzle efficiency. Okay, for this experiment's objective is we need to study the characteristic of nozzle and the parameter that affect its efficiency. For the apparatus, we have the machine itself, and this is the diagram for the machine. The name of this machine is F791 Nozzle Performance Test Unit. For the safety for this experiment, we need to make sure that when we do this experiment, we have a proper attire, such as wearing a lab coat, and we must wear a shoes and not a slipper in the lab. Okay, and when we do the experiment, we need to make sure that there is lecturer or technician in the lab, so they can supervise us during the experiment. For procedure, first we need to close the air in the control valve and open the chamber pressure control valve. Before proceeding further, ensure that the contacts are clean, that the battery is in a good condition, and the impact head is fitted to the end of the cantilever. Then for the second procedure is we need to unscrew the knuckle nut at the top right hand end of the chamber. Withdraw the nozzle mounting sleeves and assemble nozzle number 1 into the unit. Okay, for the number 3, we need to turn the diverter valve handle to the upward position. For number 4, with the chamber pressure control valve fully open, we need to adjust the inlet control valve to give a constant air inlet pressure 600 kilopascal gauge. For number 5, rotate the micrometer adjustment screw until the voltmeter and the lamp indicates that contact is just made. As we know, the greatest sensitivity is obtained if the screw is adjusted so that the voltmeter indicate about 0.5 volt. And for number 6, we need to record the pressure, temperature, AMS flow rate, and dial reading. For procedure number 7, increase the chamber pressure to about 100 kilopascal gauge and repeat the above step. For number 8, ensure that the inlet pressure remains constant. Repeat the test at other chamber pressure, which is in increment of 100 kilopascal. And lastly, we need to repeat the whole process with other nozzles. In conclusion, all the objective that we try to achieve in this experiment is succeed. From the graph of air mass flow rate versus pressure ratio, we can conclude that all the three nozzles at the graph is increasing at first and slowly decrease. As we can see, the air mass flow rate data is decreasing, and for the pressure ratio is increasing.